Hey guys, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial. So in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add effects on Picsart. So first of all, we want to open Picsart. After opening it, here is an option. You can see here Open Editor. Click on that. And for adding an effect, first you need to upload an image. So I'm just going to upload an image from here. So I just uploaded this image here. So for adding effect to this image, here on the top you can see here many options, and here is an option. You can see here effects. Click on that, and from here you can see here many sections, and from here you can just choose the effect that you wanted. And after choosing the effect, you can see that you had been add effect to your image on Picsart. So that's it for this quick tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to do hit the like button and the subscribe button for more such quick and very interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.